Again. Good morning. My face is breaking out. I don't know. It's not much but no, anyways, we're going to Kingston this morning. I want to sleep so bad. I need to change my hair. I need to wash my hair. I need to get my hair. Hi guys, I've been on the road from morning and I'm finally home. I'm actually done also. So I have created a mess before I left here, and I'm going to leave tomorrow to go back to St. Thomas because I'm going to get my hair combed for school. So we're gonna like clean up, pack up, and all of that. But you guys are not gonna see that because that don't concern me. Now the unpack, pack up, and repack. This is our fit for the day: a black cap, a black tee, and my regular ass jeans that look like I was fighting with someone. So we're actually going to comb our hair today. Well, let's start the process of combing it because I'm gonna feel like more workers in the time now. So we're gonna do all of that good stuff. Okay. We're gonna do the after first, and then we'll go downtown. Low key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know you below. Music chose me, just know this I know. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. I am in yet another place. I'm gonna say air fryer them child. That of a 9,800. Is that a steal? I think it's a steal. One of the most guitar ass vlogs ever. Anyways, I chat. Man, I'm gonna come here. But they say me will come it. Let me say me now come it. Let me say me will come it. Let me say me now come it. But truly now feel the vibes to pull it out. You can still see the box them. You have one more week of breathing of this. This is like so many days later. I was gonna start an entirely different vlog. But I was like, when I feel like new vlog, just continue. Just like the but I'm actually going to do my hair because it's reaching that point where it needs to be done. However, I have a graduation thing starting tomorrow. I'm gonna say, why pull it out and deal with the stress tomorrow? The graduation with it like this. So I'm probably go back to St. Thomas again. I love my local party. Yeah, I love St. Thomas real bad. I don't want to be my therapist. Something is happening. It's not. I don't know what is happening, but my constantly get this set dream over and over and over. And it's not like a one person in the dream, it's multiple people, but the thing is the dream follow the same timeline. The exact same timeline. Nothing to change about it. It's just same something over and over and over. And it's a trauma because like oh what happened? What? I don't know what like life a move. Me I move with it, maybe I not move. And then the dream I'm telling you like just I want loop. It just go over and over with different people. And the thing is I don't know if make it sound it might probably not sound crazy. And I said, oh, I don't know what happened. I don't know what to play. The one you're doing going properly, but we don't have time to fix it. We have to go get ready now because I'm coming. So we're going to get ready to go to graduation, chat. Graduation, my friend is graduating today, by the way. Yeah, big up she. Proud moment. So we're going to bed, and this is my dress. I feel like it's a little bit oddie, but it's not the only dress I have. This vlog is so all over the place, like so all over the place. Today is like a week after what the original vlog was supposed to be. It was supposed to be a maintenance. I still have it and dust the ass braid here. Nothing I maintain but this. And then I changed it to like a day in my life and say, oh no, days in my life then like no, I don't know what it is. I don't know what we are. I'm confused, you know. I mean this vlog is like a situationship. A very confused situation. I'm just me now dash my footage them, me nah dash them away. I refuse to. I'm refusing to talk about. Today we have things to do. Today we're going to go downtown. I need to go downtown to meet my uncle. Did, I should have did that yesterday, but I was chatting and yapping, and then one thing led to another. What it led to? Not doing anything. That's what it was.
You can never kill my vibe. But here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer.
Alright, so I'm finished getting ready. As you can see, I'm so pretty. I'm so pretty. Anyways, my lashes came out. I was deciding if I should do my lashes like trust this with me or this now. I feel like it will look so much good with lashes, but I don't want to develop lash blindness. I don't want to constantly be wearing lashes because I love my natural face. I love my natural face. Mwah, meow. Right? But I'm trying to confine to noise.
I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad bitch bad every day.
I'm not tough because I just buy everything on my name. And you should have flew the way I go around and catch me. Try to catch me. If you not catch me fully, it is there. My head hurt me, my body hurt me, my throat feel like making a swallow nothing. I don't want to say it, but my favorite thing to say is Melody. I feel so bad right now. Like, I'm gonna buy 3 pills. I'm gonna knock out all of them today, back to back. But it's raining now. It was sunny, well, all of a sudden it just come down. I'm going to give you guys a little all of all the things that I bought today. When I go and come home, and the guy where I carry me home is like, when I go to the picture them from the car show, and he saw them, and he was like, oh, you're into classic cars? I was like, no, me just still one fast, and yeah, I really actually don't really know much about him, just still one fast, some go fast, but it was actually pretty cool. And I never know someone like red cars that much. It's like to them, I see the car them that they look clean. One big popcorn. We have platinum chips. Can't go to the supermarket and go buy platinum chips. We have this. We have a coconut roll. We have a pineapple bola. We have a ginger biscuit. We have one mac and cheese. We bought this because I want to try it, so we're going to try it. We have a chocolate chip cookie. We bought 3 of these of a big Glasgow. I'll buy some of them here, but obviously eat some already. We'll have 3 of these. We'll have Monster milk. I don't know why. Recently I've been obsessed with Monster milk. I'm so obsessed I cannot go to the supermarket and not buy a Monster milk. I feel like them tiny. Them are bigger tiny. Right now I have a bigger into the fridge. So them tiny man. We have ramen. We have biscuits. We have more biscuits. More biscuits. More biscuits. More biscuits. Yeah, that's all the kind of biscuits I bought. Chips. We'll have true juice. I bought 2 mixed berry. Everything said I took up 3 different flavors. Anyways, I bought true juice. I think that was 3 different flavors. we have this because we're going to try the supermarket that I shop is our Chinese kind of supermarket. So like once a while them have Chinese kind of things there, and they had this. So we're going to try this. But it's cool. Cause I'm gonna drink this. Last thing in my bag is 3 pills. I'm gonna take the first one tonight. I'm not sick, you know. I'm not sick, I'm not sick. Well, I'm not fully sick. And that's everything that I bought. I'm gonna spend 50 grand. Yeah, 50 grand. At a cap. Like, I'm gonna spend 50 grand. I would have never spent 50 grand. They'll have to fight me for the 50 grand for them to me. Anyways, see you guys in next week's video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And if you did enjoy my video, don't forget to like and comment something. Um, comment on car. Yeah, comment a car. Don't forget to comment and don't forget to share it with your friends. Say, oh, look at local girl here. She live a very interesting life. Kind of baka but it's interesting. Yeah, don't forget to share. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, babe, where I man. Babe, what are you waiting on? Please subscribe. See you guys next week. Bye.